Here comes the plow. It has to take a running start in order to move the snow. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's see
what. What's he gonna do?
He's pushing the snow off the road, honey.
He's got to get a running start. Ready? Wow.
What they're gonna do?
Bench.
We've got blizzard number 2, although first blizzard was in 09, so this is the first blizzard of 2010. Our poor trees, I hope that they'll survive.
100-year record for winter snowfall in Virginia.
Okay, we're watching. Oh look, there goes a puppy dog.
What the puppy dog?
It started snowing Friday morning, February 5th, and it's been snowing
at about 10 o'clock
ever since. And today it's Saturday at 8 a.m.
Where are people going?
Everyone's
so we have 10 more hours of this snow.
Mommy, where those people going?
Oh, they're taking a walk. He's walking his dog, honey. Oh, and those other people, I don't know where they're going.
Good thing they put those little flags on the fire hydrants, because they would get lost.
Yay!
Hope that roof holds up.
Yay! Then clean the road!
Here comes the plow.
Did you capture out back?
Got yet?
Look it!
You can open the window.
Okay.
Look it!
Here comes the plow to put a mountain of snow behind all of our cars. Oh! Oh my gosh!
What?
The plow is just like,
What
it's
happened?
like it's banging into a brick wall.
What happened?
Oh, he's pushing the snow around out there.
That's got to be kind of fun to be driving a plow, right? I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it on this video, but it's pretty funny when he smacks into the mountain of snow.
I know, let's go in the snow.
Wow.
Let's go in the snow and let's stop and clean the road.
Yeah, we're going to do that after breakfast. What should we have for breakfast?
I want to eat cereal.
Cereal?
And then what do you want to do?
Cereal milk.
You're going to eat cereal, and then what are we going to do?
I don't know.
What do you think? Go play outside?
The snow's going to be up to here, running on you.
Why?
Because it's so deep. It's going to be funny.
What do you want to do first when you get outside, Aya?
I don't want what?
What are you going to do when you get outside?
I don't know.
You don't know?
You eat something?
Yeah. Then it's snowy.
You going to eat the snow?
Look it.
What? Oh, there goes the plow. He turned around. No, he's still there. He's having a hard time, I think.
What? What, Daddy? What?
You know what? We can build a big igloo today because there's going to be a big pile of snow.
And we can make a snowman.
Yeah, we can build like a 3-bedroom igloo.
We can make a snowman because there's lots of snow.
That's right, we can make a snowman too. We can put some arms on him, make a little carrot nose. We can do that.
Let's play in the snow.